Sentence patterns. I have been to see sumo. Watashi wa sumo o mini itta koto ga arimasu. This sentence describes a past experience of having gone to see sumo wrestling. On holidays, I play tennis, take walks, and so on. Yasumi ni wa tennis o shitari, sanpo o shitari shimasu. This sentence lists activities done on holidays, implying more than one activity. It's going to get hotter and hotter from now on. これからだんだん暑くなります。This sentence describes a future increase in temperature over time. Have you been to Hokkaido? 北海道に行ったことがありますか? Asking if someone has ever visited Hokkaido. はい、一回あります。2年前に友達と行きました。Confirming the visit and providing details about the time and companions. Have you ever ridden a horse? 馬に乗ったことがありますか? Asking if someone has ever ridden a horse. いえ、ありません。やってみたいです。Denying the experience and expressing eagerness to try. What did you do in your winter vacation? 冬休みに何をしましたか? Asking about activities during winter vacation. 京都のお寺と神社を訪れて友達とパーティーをしてきたか? Listing various activities done during winter vacation. What would you like to do in Japan? 日本で何をしたいですか? Asking about plans or desires in Japan. 旅行に行ったり、茶道を習ったりしたいです。Listing desired activities in Japan. How are you feeling? 気分はどうですか? Asking about someone's well-being. よくなりました。ありがとう. Responding positively about feeling better. You have become good at Japanese. 日本語が上手になりましたね. Complimenting someone's Japanese skills. ありがとう。でも、まだまだです. Thanking and modestly stating there's still room for improvement. Teresa, what would you like to be? Teresa-san, 何になりたいですか? Asking about future aspirations. 医者になりたいです. Expressing the desire to become a doctor. Conversation. As for my diet, I'll start it tomorrow. 私のダイエットについては明日から始めます. Stating the intention to start dieting from tomorrow. Cheers! 乾杯! A common toast in Japanese meaning cheers. Why, Miss Maria? You're not eating much. あら、マリアさん、あまり食べていないですね. Noticing and commenting that Maria is not eating much. No, to tell the truth, I have been on a diet since yesterday. いえ、実は昨日からダイエットをしています. Explaining that she has started dieting since yesterday. Have you? I have tried being on a diet many times too. そうですか? 私のもう何度もダイエットをしたことがあります. Expressing shared experience with dieting. What kind of diets have you tried? どんなダイエットをしたことがありますか? Asking about the types of diets Miss Matsumoto has tried. I tried eating only apples and drinking a lot of water and so on. リンゴだけを食べたり、水をたくさん飲んだりしました. Describing a diet involving only apples and lots of water. I'm afraid strict diets are not good for your health. 厳しいダイエットは健康に良くないと思います. expressing concern about strict diets being unhealthy. You are right. So desu ne, agreeing with the concern about strict diets. Miss Maria, this cake is delicious. Maria-san, このケーキは美味しいですよ. Offering a piece of cake and complimenting its taste. Is it? そうですか? Responding with interest about the cake's taste. I'll start dieting again tomorrow. 明日からまたダイエットを始めます. Deciding to enjoy the cake and postponing the diet to the next day. Traditional culture and entertainment. Tea ceremony. Sado ocha. A traditional Japanese ritual involving the ceremonial preparation and presentation of matcha, powdered green tea. Flower arrangement. Kado ekibana. The Japanese art of flower arrangement, focusing on harmony, balance, and simplicity. Calligraphy. Shodo. The art of beautiful writing using brush and ink, emphasizing the form and flow of characters. Kabuki. Kabuki is a classical Japanese dance drama known for its stylized performances, elaborate costumes, and makeup. No. No is a traditional form of Japanese theater combining music, dance, and drama, often featuring masks. Bonraku. Bonraku is a traditional Japanese puppet theater where puppeteers, narrators, and musicians perform together. Sumo. Sumo is a Japanese style of wrestling where wrestlers attempt to force each other out of a ring or to touch the ground with anything other than the soles of their feet. Judo. Judo is a modern martial art and combat sport that originated in Japan, focusing on throws, pins, and submission. Kendo. Kendo is a traditional Japanese martial art of swordsmanship using bamboo swords and protective armor. Karate. Karate is a martial art that focuses on striking techniques such as punches, kicks, and open hand strikes. Manzai Rakugo. Manzai Rakugo is a form of stand-up comedy involving a dialogue between two performers. A form of verbal entertainment where a lone storyteller sits and recounts humorous or sentimental tales. Go Shugi. Shugi is a board game where two players attempt to capture more territory than the opponent. Shugi, a Japanese form of chess where players aim to capture the opponent's king. Pachinko. Pachinko is a mechanical game similar to pinball, often played for amusement and prizes. Karaoke. Karaoke is a popular activity where individuals sing along to recorded music using a microphone, often in private rooms. Bon dance. Bon odori is a traditional dances performed during the Bon Festival, a Buddhist event for honoring the spirits of ancestors. Traditional culture and entertainment. Tea ceremony. Flower arrangement. Calligraphy. Kabuki. No. Bunraku. Sumo. Judo. Kendo. Karate. Manzai Rakugo. Go Shugi. Pachinko. Karaoke. Bon dance. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. See you next time. Mata ne!